The harshest region in Russia, where girls sleep with strangers. Life in Siberia. The icy expanse of Siberia isn't just known for its freezing temperatures and endless snow. In one of the most remote and unforgiving regions of Russia, life can be shockingly raw and gritty. Here, harsh conditions and isolation have given rise to some jaw-dropping social norms. For instance, in this extreme environment, some young women have developed a practice that's as unexpected as it is controversial. Sleeping with strangers as a form of survival and social interaction. Curious about how these unique customs come about in one of the coldest places on Earth? Stick around as we unravel the shocking truths about life in Siberia. Number 1. Girls sleep with strangers as part of a custom. In certain indigenous Siberian societies, there is a distinct and surprising tradition where one offers their wife to a visitor as a sign of hospitality. This tradition, rooted in history, demonstrates the strong beliefs in dignity and reverence within these societies. The concept is to demonstrate great generosity and make sure the guest feels welcomed and appreciated. In the past, this tradition was prevalent among groups such as the Nganasan and the Selkup. Understanding that this practice is deeply ingrained in their traditions and societal norms is crucial. Nevertheless, it is becoming less common in modern times and is now mostly viewed as a historical oddity rather than a prevalent custom. In current Siberian society, these customs have mostly disappeared, as various tribes concentrate on conserving their cultural traditions through alternative methods. This change underscores the way cultural customs change with time, impacted by contemporary values and outside influences. Number 2. Siberia is larger than most countries. Siberia, an expansive area in northern Asia, comprises approximately 77% of Russia's total land mass. In comparison, Siberia is bigger than any country in the world, except for Russia. Picture a massive landmass that is larger than countries such as Canada, China, and the United States. Siberia covers more than 13 million square kilometers, a territory bigger than Europe and the United States put together. Even though Siberia is immense in size, it has a low population density. The population density is one of the lowest globally, with a minimal number of individuals per square mile. This indicates that even though the land continues on indefinitely, human communities are sparse and widely scattered. The eerie, nearly untouched wilderness of the area is attributed to its extreme climate and isolated location. Many parts of Siberia have severe winters, with temperatures dropping below -40 degrees Celsius, -40 degrees Fahrenheit, making it one of the most frigid locations on the planet. Nevertheless, Siberia boasts breathtaking natural scenery, ranging from frozen tundra to thick taiga forests, despite the harsh weather conditions. Number 3. The Road of Bones. The Kolyma Highway, also known as the Road of Bones, is one of Siberia's most eerie landmarks. Constructed in the 1930s and 1940s under Stalin's rule, this highway spans approximately 2,000 kilometers through the isolated areas of Siberia. The reason for its dark nickname is that it was built by inmates of the Gulag labor camps. The conditions were harsh. Prisoners toiled in severe cold and tough circumstances, leading to numerous deaths from hunger, illness, and fatigue. It is estimated that tens of thousands of prisoners lost their lives while building the road. Their corpses were interred by the side of the road, with certain accounts suggesting their bodies were utilized as fill material in the construction of the road. Number 4. The Great Siberian Explosion. In 1908, Siberia experienced one of the strongest explosions ever recorded, called the Tunguska event. This massive explosion, equal to the power of 1,000 Hiroshima bombs, leveled an incredible 2,000 square kilometers of dense forest. For perspective, it's bigger than the city of London. The blast happened close to the Tunguska River and was powerful enough to topple approximately 80 million trees, causing shockwaves throughout the area. Even though the event was large, no craters or direct evidence of an impact were located. This has prompted researchers to suggest different hypotheses regarding the origin of the explosion. A commonly accepted hypothesis suggests that a meteorite or comet burst in the sky, resulting in a large release of energy. Some propose that the blast might have come from a spaceship from another planet or a device made by beings from outer space. Yet, there is no solid proof discovered to validate any of these hypotheses. The Tunguska event is still a huge mystery in modern science, revealing our limited knowledge of the forces that impact our world. Number 5. Siberia is home to the world's longest railway line. The Trans-Siberian Railway is more than just a train track. It holds the title as the longest railway in the world, covering an astonishing distance of 5,771 miles, or 9,288 kilometers, connecting Moscow with Vladivostok. This long journey lasts for approximately 6 nights and 7 days, with short breaks of 10 to 20 minutes at every station during the trip. While you journey, you will witness a wide variety of stunning scenery. The journey spans across 8 time zones and highlights natural marvels such as Lake Baikal, the world's deepest freshwater lake, dense birch and pine forests, and the jagged Ural Mountains. Tayshet, a small town with approximately 33,000 residents, marks the halfway point of this monumental journey. In the past, Tayshet was important because it served as the location for the administrative headquarters of 2 major Gulag labor camps, Ozerlag and Engerstroy. It is also the beginning of the Baikal-Amur Main Line, a significant railroad that runs alongside the Trans-Siberian Railway. The Trans-Siberian Railway provides a distinctive and memorable opportunity to discover the expansive landscape of Russia, ranking it among the most extraordinary train trips globally. Number 6. Home to the deepest lake in the world. Lake Baikal in Siberia is known as the deepest lake in the world, reaching an astonishing depth of 5,387 feet. However, that is not the only impressive thing about it. It is also the biggest freshwater lake in terms of volume, holding more than 20% of the world's fresh surface water. Lake Baikal is enormous, covering 31,772 square kilometers and being fed by 330 rivers. During the winter season, it becomes fully frozen, with ice reaching depths of up to 2 meters in certain areas. The lake's vast dimensions and profound depth come from continuous tectonic movements, which create a dynamic and always changing natural marvel. The Great Baikal Trail, one of the longest and coldest hiking trails globally, can be found there as well. Number 7. The largest swamp in the Northern Hemisphere. The Vasyugan Swamp in Siberia is the biggest swamp in the Northern Hemisphere, covering over 53,000 square kilometers, an area larger than Switzerland. This enormous marshland is not only a wide stretch of swampy land, but also has a vital function in our worldwide climate system. The Vasyugan Swamp serves as a significant carbon sink by capturing carbon dioxide and assisting in regulating the Earth's climate. This factor is crucial in combating climate change. The distinctive ecosystem of the swamp sustains a variety of plants and animals that have evolved to thrive in its damp and marshy environment. Additionally, the Vasyugan Swamp plays a crucial role as a water source in the area, impacting local climate patterns and maintaining the general hydrological equilibrium. Its immense size and ecological significance make it a standout natural characteristic of Siberia, showcasing the vital function wetlands serve in preserving ecological and climate balance. Number 8. The coldest inhabited place on Earth. Oymyakon, a tiny town in Siberia, is reputed as the coldest inhabited area on the planet. In 1933, the temperatures dropped drastically to a shocking -67.7 degrees Celsius, 89.9 degrees Fahrenheit. That is chillier than the exterior of Mars. Living in Oymyakon poses a tremendous challenge. The residents endure winters lasting up to 8 months, where temperatures frequently fall below -50 degrees Celsius, -58 degrees Fahrenheit. The village has roughly 500 inhabitants, who creatively adjust to the challenging circumstances. One instance is when cars require special heaters to start, and construction is difficult due to the perpetually frozen ground. In spite of these challenges, Oymyakon still stands as a remarkable example of human strength and ability to adjust in one of the most extreme climates on the planet. Number 9. A diamond mine so massive it's illegal to fly over it. The Mirny mine in Siberia is among the biggest man-made pits on the planet. The diamond mine is of such great size that helicopters are prohibited from flying above it. For what reason? The immense size of the mine generates risky air currents that have the ability to divert helicopters from their intended path. Excavation started in 1955, and Mirny has since transformed into a huge crater, measuring 1,200 feet in depth and 3,900 feet in width. Its size is such that it is visible from outer space. The mine has generated some of the most precious diamonds globally, establishing itself as a significant participant in the international diamond industry. The Mirny mine, due to its immense size and considerable economic influence, serves as evidence of the impressive ability of human engineering to drastically impact the world. Number 10. Snowflakes. The size of frisbees. Siberia is well known for its harsh winter conditions, with one of its most astonishing characteristics being the large size of its snowflakes. In this frozen area, you may come across snowflakes as big as 30 centimeters, equivalent to approximately 12 inches in size. These large snowflakes not only are uncommon to see, but they turn Siberia's scenery into a fairy tale-like setting. Picture yourself strolling through a woods where snowflakes are as large as dinner plates, forming a bed of snow that seems almost unreal. This event happens due to the cold temperatures and distinct atmospheric conditions in Siberia. When the temperature decreases, the air holds more moisture, which allows snowflakes to increase in size before landing. The outcome is a stunning, enchanting winter landscape that is unmatched elsewhere in the world. Number 11. The hidden gold mines. Siberia is famous not only for its frozen scenery and isolated territories, it also holds many undiscovered gold mines. Some of the most valuable gold deposits in the world are hidden beneath its rough exterior. The Sukhoi Log deposit is notable for being one of the biggest gold reserves worldwide. This massive reserve contains a staggering 64 million ounces of gold. To provide some context, that amount would be sufficient to fill nearly 2,000 Olympic-sized swimming pools with gold. However, obtaining this wealth is quite challenging. The severe weather conditions in Siberia, where temperatures drop significantly below freezing, create major challenges for mining activities. Workers encounter frigid temperatures, remote environments, and challenging landscapes, making it among the most challenging mining locations globally. In spite of these obstacles, the allure of Siberia's concealed gold still beckons mining firms and prospectors, allured by the vast amount of its undeveloped wealth. When considering Siberia, remember it isn't only about snow and ice, but also a place filled with valuable treasures waiting to be discovered. Number 12. Siberia's underground rivers. Siberia is home to a hidden wonder: underground rivers flowing beneath its icy expanse. Despite the extreme cold, these subterranean waterways remain liquid year-round. They carve intricate channels deep beneath the permafrost, creating an underground network that is crucial for Siberia's water system. Scientists are still uncovering the full extent of these hidden rivers. Their paths are complex, winding through layers of frozen ground and feeding into larger water systems. This unique phenomenon not only shapes the Siberian landscape, but also plays a vital role in sustaining local ecosystems. The study of these underground rivers is ongoing, offering new insights into how life adapts to extreme environments and how these hidden waters influence the surface world. The secrets lying beneath Siberia's tundra reveal just how much there is still to learn about our planet's hidden wonders. For more incredible facts about Siberia and beyond, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.